Hello and welcome to this first Cubase quick tip on how to use Gullfoss or any other stereo plugin for that matter in surround the easy way. So, like many other people, I have fallen in love with Gullfoss, which is a very interesting plugin in which we can basically get that extra 1 to 10% of clarity in the final product, but unfortunately it's just a stereo plugin so far. So in Cubase you are actually having a possibility of routing it as a surround plugin, so let's dive into it and watch how it's done. So in Cubase you go to the surround channel that you want to use it on. You click on the the edit channel settings, and just wait for it to pop up. There we are. We have 3 instances of the plugin, all stereo. We click on the routing, and there we can scroll down and see that I have assigned each stereo pair to different channels. So if we click on the drop down menu here, we can choose if that stereo channel is going to go to the front stereo, the left surround, the center, the mono, LFE, or any other setting. In this case I have one for the front left right, one for the surrounds, and one for the center, because currently I don't have a sub. But you can also configure it on your own. You click on the drop down again, open routing editor, and here you can move this around. So if you additionally, if you click the unlink button, you can decide that, for instance, that the sound is going in on the center channel, being processed by the Gullfoss, and go out again on a different channel, like the left surround. I still haven't managed to figure out why or when to use this, but it's possible, and that's cool. So basically that's it for this time. A quick Cubase tips on using stereo plugins in surround in Cubase. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like, follow, and share. Cheers.